Hello and welcome to Shrimpy's YouTube channel. My name is Jade and today we will run a backtest. Backtesting is the process of using historical trade data to simulate how a strategy would have performed over time. We can use the data collected to determine how our trading strategy may perform in current market conditions. Let's go to the Backtest tab and run a backtest. We have been hard at work on a new Backtest tab design. We hope you like the new look. Click Create New Backtest. First, we will select our initial investment value. There are some default values, or we can select Custom and enter our starting amount. Next, we select our timeline. This will be the time frame the backtest will look at to determine the performance for our assets. We will run a backtest on the month of July to see how our strategy would have performed during that time. Then we select the rebalance strategy. We can choose periodic or threshold. If we select periodic, the backtest will run a rebalance based on a set time frame. If we select threshold, the backtest will run a rebalance only if the threshold would have been triggered during our selected time frame. We will choose a periodic rebalance with a daily time frame for this example. The trading fees are set by the exchange. Since we are using Bittrex, we will select Custom and enter 0.35%. If we have fee optimization enabled on our portfolio, make sure to utilize fee optimization on the backtest. Now we select the assets we want to include in the backtest. We can choose to equally allocate the assets added, or we can set custom allocations. If we choose to equally allocate the assets, we only need to click Select to add the asset to our backtest. If we choose Custom, we will need to manually add the allocation for each asset to total 100%. If we add an asset by accident, simply select the X to remove it. After we have added all of the assets we want to be included, select Run Backtest. The results for our backtest will appear. We can see our initial value, the final value achieved by using our strategy on Shrimpy, the final value if we had just held our assets, and the difference. Saving the backtest will allow us to review and even edit and rerun a backtest. Select Save. Give the backtest a name and add any notes about strategy, and then select Save Backtest. If we scroll down, we can see the saved backtest here. If we click into it, we can see all of the details for this backtest. Select Load Backtest, and we can now edit any setting we wish and run it again. If we wanted to run another backtest with different settings, we would select Create New Backtest and add our new settings. We can delete previous backtests by selecting the delete icon. Make sure to check out the Shrimpy Academy and Help Center linked below for some more awesome content about what backtesting is and different backtesting strategies. If you have any further questions about backtesting, please reach out to the support team at support@shrimpy.io. We are happy to help.